Welcome to the introduction of Durian's secret to bountiful harvests. Durian trees, known for their controversial yet beloved fruits, can yield up to 200 fruits per tree annually when cared for properly. This impressive output doesn't come without effort though. Understanding the post-harvest needs of these tropical giants is crucial for sustained productivity. Neglecting these needs can significantly reduce future yields and even harm the tree's health. Post-harvest care is the foundation of next season's success. It involves a combination of nutrient management, pruning, disease prevention, and pest control. Each of these aspects plays a vital role in ensuring that durian trees remain healthy and productive year after year. Managing nutrients ensures the tree has the energy to recover and prepare for the next cycle. Pruning helps maintain the tree's structure and health. Disease prevention protects the tree from potential threats that could devastate the harvest. Pest control is essential to keep harmful insects at bay. Together, these practices form a comprehensive care strategy. In this guide, we will explore each of these critical elements in detail. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced grower, the insights provided here will help you optimize your durian tree care routine. Let's delve into the secrets of reviving these giants post-harvest. Moving on to Section 2, Nutrient Management, Feeding the Giants. Nutrient management is vital for restoring durian trees after harvest. The trees expend a lot of energy producing fruits, and replenishing these nutrients is crucial for their recovery. Without proper nutrient management, trees can become weak and more susceptible to diseases and pests. Fertilizers rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are essential. Nitrogen helps with leaf and shoot growth, phosphorus supports root development, and potassium enhances fruit quality. Additionally, micronutrients such as magnesium and iron are necessary for overall tree health. Organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure can improve soil structure and fertility. This helps retain moisture and provides a steady supply of nutrients. Regular soil testing can identify nutrient deficiencies, allowing for precise adjustments to fertilizer applications. It's important to apply fertilizers at specific times. Post-harvest, a balanced fertilizer should be applied to help the tree recover. During the growing season, a higher nitrogen mix can be beneficial. By following a nutrient management plan, growers can ensure their durian trees remain vigorous and productive. Lastly, let's talk about Section 3, Pruning Techniques, Shaping for Success. Pruning is a critical practice for maintaining healthy durian trees. It involves removing dead or diseased branches, shaping the tree, and promoting better airflow and sunlight penetration. Proper pruning can significantly impact the tree's health and future yields. Begin by removing any dead or damaged branches. This helps prevent the spread of diseases and pests. Next, thin out crowded areas to improve light penetration and air circulation. This reduces the risk of fungal infections and allows the tree to photosynthesize more efficiently. Selective pruning involves cutting back branches that are growing in undesirable directions. This helps maintain the tree's structure and makes harvesting easier. It's essential to use clean, sharp tools to make precise cuts and minimize damage to the tree. Pruning should be done during the dry season to reduce the risk of infection. Avoid heavy pruning during the rainy season, as this can lead to waterlogging and stress. Consistent, careful pruning ensures that durian trees remain healthy and capable of producing high-quality fruits. Section 4. Disease Prevention, Shielding Your Trees. Disease prevention is paramount for the health and productivity of durian trees. Common diseases such as Phytophthora, a soil-borne fungus, can cause root rot and tree decline. Implementing preventive measures can save trees and ensure a bountiful harvest. Good sanitation practices are the first line of defense. Remove fallen leaves and fruit from around the tree base to eliminate disease sources. Use sterile pruning tools to avoid spreading pathogens. Additionally, proper irrigation management can prevent waterlogging, which often leads to root diseases. Fungicides can be used as a preventive measure, especially during the rainy season when fungal infections are more likely. Copper-based fungicides are effective against many common durian diseases. However, it's important to follow the recommended application rates and timings to avoid harming the tree. Monitoring trees regularly for signs of disease is crucial. Early detection allows for timely intervention and reduces the severity of outbreaks. By integrating these practices, growers can protect their durian trees from potentially devastating diseases. Section 5. Pest Control, Safeguarding the Harvest. Pest control is essential for maintaining healthy durian trees. Pests such as fruit borers, aphids, and mites can cause significant damage if not managed properly. Integrated pest management, or IPM, is an effective approach that combines biological, cultural, and chemical controls. Biological control involves using natural predators to manage pest populations. For example, introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs can help control aphids. Cultural practices such as intercropping and maintaining tree diversity can also reduce pest infestations by disrupting their habitats. Chemical control should be used as a last resort. When necessary, choose pesticides that are specific to the target pests and have minimal impact on beneficial insects. Always follow the recommended application guidelines to avoid harming the environment and human health. Regular monitoring and early intervention are key to effective pest management. Inspect trees frequently for signs of pest activity and take action promptly. By adopting an integrated approach, growers can protect their durian trees and ensure a healthy harvest. Section 6. Practical Steps, Implementing the Knowledge. Implementing the knowledge gained from this guide requires a systematic approach. Start by developing a post-harvest care plan that includes nutrient management, pruning, disease prevention, and pest control. This plan should be tailored to the specific needs of your orchard. Begin with a soil test to determine nutrient deficiencies and adjust your fertilization schedule accordingly. Apply fertilizers at the right times to support tree recovery and growth. Incorporate organic matter to improve soil health and structure. Schedule regular pruning sessions during the dry season. Use clean, sharp tools to make precise cuts and shape the tree. Monitor trees for signs of disease and apply fungicides as needed. Maintain good sanitation practices to reduce disease risk. Finally, adopt an integrated pest management approach. Use biological and cultural controls as the first line of defense and resort to chemical controls only when necessary. Regularly inspect your trees and take prompt action against pests. By following these practical steps, growers can ensure their durian trees remain healthy and productive, leading to bountiful harvest year after year.